Assalamu alaikum students, this video is on exercise 3.1 question number 2. Part number 1, integral dx over under root x plus a plus under root x plus b. We will first multiply it with this conjugate, which will be equal to integral dx over x plus a x plus b into under root x plus a minus under root x plus b over under root x plus a minus under root x plus b, which is equal to integral under root x plus a minus under root x plus b over under root x plus a whole square minus under root x plus b whole square, which is equal to integral under root x plus a minus under root x plus b over this square will be cancelled by under root, which will simplify as x plus a minus x plus b, which is equal to integral under root x plus a minus under root x plus b over x plus a minus x minus b. This x will be cancelled by this x, which simplifies as under root x plus a minus under root x plus b over a minus b. As a minus b is a constant, so it will be taken as common, which will be written as 1 over a minus b into integral of x plus a 1 by 2 minus x plus b 1 by 2 dx. Now integrating both terms separately, we get 1 over a minus b bracket integral x plus a raised to power 1 over 2 dx minus x plus b minus integral x plus b raised to power 1 over 2 dx. Taking integral, we get 1 over a minus b into x plus a 3 by 2 over 3 by 2 minus x plus b 3 by 2 over 3 by 2 plus c, which can be further simplified as 2 by 3 into a minus b bracket x plus a 3 by 2 minus x plus b 3 by 2 plus c. Part number 2, integral 1 minus x square over 1 plus x square dx. Dividing the numerator by denominator, x plus 1 plus x square into minus 1, we get minus 1 minus x square. Changing the signs, 1 plus 1 is equal to 2, x square is cancelled by x square. So this function can be written as integral bracket minus 1 plus 2 over 1 plus x square dx. Integrating separately, we get minus integral dx plus 2 integral dx over 1 plus x square. As we know that integral of 1 over 1 plus x square dx is equal to tan inverse x, so it is equal to minus x plus tan inverse x plus c. Part 3rd, integral dx over under root x plus a plus under root x, rationalizing the denominator by multiplying it with its conjugate, which is equal to dx integral dx over x plus a plus under root x into under root x plus a minus under root x over under root x plus a minus under root x, which is equal to integral under root x plus a minus under root x over under root x plus a whole square minus under root x whole square. Squares are cancelled by the under root, so it is equal to integral x plus a 1 by 2 minus x 1 by 2 over x plus a minus x dx. X is cancelled by this x and a is taken as common, so 1 over a into integral bracket x plus a 1 by 2 minus x 1 by 2 bracket of dx. 1 over a bracket integral x plus a raised to power 1 over 2 dx minus integral x 1 by 2 dx. 1 over a into x plus a 3 by 2 over 3 by 2 minus x raised to power 3 by 2 over 3 by 2 plus c, which can be further simplified as 2 by 3 a bracket x plus a 3 by 2 minus x 3 by 2 plus c.